Hey everybody, the Gaming Snake here, and welcome to my first drawing class. Today I will be teaching you guys how to draw the Helicoprion. Now the Helicoprion was nicknamed the Buzzsaw Shark because of its jaw, and I'll show you guys that once we start doing it. So, here we go. So we're going to start the drawing. Okay, step 1. First, you're going to draw a shady rectangle that's kind of visible but not that visible. But you're gonna make sure it's shady enough so when you erase it, they won't be able to see the rectangle. Just like that. Step 2. What you're gonna do now is make a little trapezoid at the end of the rectangle, which will be where the tail will be. Then you're gonna make a triangle that goes up like this and points down, and a smaller triangle that goes like this. Step 3. Now we're going to work on the jaw. First, make a straight line right here. Then when you're about to complete it, stop. Make it go straight down a bit, not that much. And then come back to there. Next, you're going to make like this right here. And this. Like a rectangle with a triangle sliced into it. Next, you're going to make the jaw. So what you're going to do is do this and this. Don't connect it yet. From the top of the rectangle, make it go around like a circle. Now what you're going to do now is shade it in like this. Well, not shade it, but like do the real design of it. So make it do like a little round shape over the rectangle. Make the triangle part of the nose a bit like a goblin shark type jaw. Well, like head. And then like just shade it over. Just all you gotta do is shade it over. Alright. Now that you have your thing done, what you're going to want to do now is to erase the lines that you already had. Just like this. Make sure you erase it real good. And if you might have accidentally erased the part of the shark that was meant to be there, just redraw it back. Oops. And if, like I just did, I accidentally erased part of the jaw. So just add it right back on. Just like that. Now for the dorsal fin. Not that hard. Just do a little triangle that goes up, a little curve, and right back down. Just like that. Now for the fin, just do this. Like a little curve, then down, and then right back up, and do another curve. Just like that. And then to make it look like it's actually the fin, just erase the line right here. And you got the fin. I mean, you might want to make the tail a bit more bigger too, kind of. That looks better. A lot better. Make a little curve. There. So you should have something like this so far. If you guys can't see it, I'm sorry because the screen is tilted, so I can't tell if you guys can see it or not. But just follow what I'm doing. Next, you're gonna work with the teeth. Little teeth like right here, like little curved triangles almost. Not too big, because the Helicoprion didn't have big teeth for being 20 feet long, but still good. Same thing with the curved jaw. teeth go all the way from the tip all the way around. But once you get to the end of the circle, make sure they get smaller and smaller. And there we go, we had a jaw. Make sure you add the teeth up here too, until you get to the end, about right here. Next, then let's add this right here. We got the snout. Next is the eye, so let's do this. Like a little ups, like a C curved. To just make an eye out of it and make a circle inside of it. And you got the eye of the shark. For the other fin, which goes about right here, just do the same thing as you did with the other fin, except it will be a bit wider. Same thing with a small dorsal fin that goes right about there. Should just do that. Just like that. There you go. And okay. Now for the gills, make them really dark. Draw 5 gills right next to each other. Like these. You get the gills. Now for shading, we're going to give it the great white type shading. So connect the dorsal fins like this almost. Then the tail. And like that. All you're going to do is just shade it in. Just dark. Dark shades. Not too dark though, but just tiny bits of darkness. Something under my feet. Okay. Just shade it in really good. I'm going to need a new pencil because this one isn't working out right. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and just continue doing the shading. Now when you get to the gills, make sure that when you shade that you can see the gills a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. Shade around the eye. Make sure you don't cover the eye in the dark shades. Shade the dorsal fins up here. If you shade outside the dorsal fin, just erase it. Then shade this fin right here. And that's the top shade done. Now for the bottom part, make sure that when you get lower, that you make it really dark. And then for the bottom shade, just easily give it a light shade. And there you go. You have drone, a Helicoprion. And now I'll tell you why it's called the buzz saw shark. It's because of its jaw. It's shaped like a saw, and its teeth seriously go down the jaw until you reach to the end of the circle. So it's nicknamed the buzz saw shark. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I will make another episode soon. If you guys have any requests for drawing, just tell me below in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.